on his knee. Niggas gonna kill the nigga and I know it. Niggas, where y'all niggas wanna land? Do y'all wanna go to Milton or Nova? Okay. I wanna get freaking naughty. All right, Will, you there? You there, Will? You saying something? You muted. Okay, he jumped. As long as he knows we can't hear him. Put these Kit Kat minis away. They're here distracting me. The rebels in the sky, headed straight to Milton. We got the rebels in the sky and they headed straight to Milton. Yeah, we got a party here, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Niggas in my Instagram. One's running to that warehouse. He trying to keep a track where I went. Fuck you, nigga. I'm not looking at me. Lux, what up, G? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Showing the dojo some love. Oh man, I don't have a gun yet, but that dude's in the house next to me, which is not good. Oh, pistol. Give it to me. Yeah, I checked that already. Shit. Mac 10. Oh, for sure. Good looking out, Lux. Nope. Okay, I'm sorry. Correction. That was L. I got one in the building next to me. Got an S-Gas. Yeah. Careful, there's a nigga in his house now. The one with the garage. It's the orange top right next to the warehouse. Okay, that's you running around. Okay, that's L. I'm gonna hold on to the shotgun. He was. I don't know if he done. If he scooted or what. I'm over here looking. Just in case he ran in my house, I was gonna hit him with this SK-12. Where did I draw my Uzi at? Over here. Oh yeah, y'all got your audio included, by the way. Oh yeah, no, that's y'all. No, Lux. They don't.
No audio, Lux. We don't like people to listen to our voices.
Will doesn't support the stream. Lux. Bad person. I'm shaking. L, did you hit this White House behind me?
The one where I'm at currently?
Oh. Excuse me. I just heard you right now and I got a little nervous. About to start shooting.
Hey, go in there. It's a first aid kit. I don't have no space because I don't got a backpack. Huh?
Yeah.
One of them niggas I killed in that group of niggas decided he was gonna send me a message and ask me why do I play. So I said to kill and win. Alright, so we got three niggas going back towards the end of the city. They're across the street on this side. You see where my yellow marker is? They're going that way.
Someone's shooting at me right now.
Where the fuck are they shooting? They must be shooting with a silencer. I'm right over here. I don't hear no shots.
I heard him hit the ground. Damn sure.
There he is. There he is. I got
like
him. Southwest 215. He's running to that white and green house.
The white and green house?
He's right here. Right in front of me, 250. There he is. Knocked him.
Okay, good, because I was about to say, I don't see him, bro.
Where's his teammates? Are they pushing back?
Hey,
there they go. Yep, here they come.
Dude across the street. Look out, dude across the street coming right now. One just jumped off the top right. Here come another one.
Dropped him. The other one's up there. Crawling the street.
You drop both of them? Cause two of
yeah,
them
but it's
came.
three. There's three though. Damn,
right,
I got
look,
reload.
I'm coming downstairs. I'm gonna go across the street. I'm coming downstairs. I'm going across the street to get a better angle.
Drop three of them.
Did you kill a nigga or you just...
Here comes the last one. I'm about to get a squad wipe on these fools.
Not if I kill the last one first.
Squad wipe, 4 kills.
Good.
Let's
Fuck.
go.
Oh, damn it.
Let's go.
Bastard.
Hey,
You
you saw that, Lex?
We all tracked him.
You know the sad part is,
What?
I shot this nigga in the neck as he was falling out. Like, I was 2 seconds too late. You should have been
I gotta
mine.
chop up my video now.
Holy fuck, who's that?
That's Will getting me
I'm
real
sorry.
freaky naughty.
That was me being mad that Chris got the damn kill on this guy. Fuck douche.
Oh yeah.
Bro,
You need any first aid kits, Al? Any of these?
I need everything, man.
Hey, I need a first aid if we can spare one.
All right. Well, I'm about to take this ump.
This nigga didn't have much over here, but he had a shotgun. He had a little bit of 7.62 ammo. He had a scar. I did take the ammo though. I'm not even gonna front.
There's 2 bodies over there. Did you get them both?
No, I only seen the one. I only seen this last guy you just got. Oh, okay. Here's the other one over here. I didn't see that other one down. I only checked this one right here. The one I'm standing over is the only one I went to. So.
Let me get
I took the ump ammo. Oh, yeah, the ump ammo.
You shouldn't pick up ump ammo if you got a vector, bro. Get that vector.
I know. I'm about to drop that shit right now.
You acting a fool, bro.
No,
Vector
the thing
ammo.
was,
How many first aid
I
kits
had
you
an
got
ump
now?
and a,
Oh my bad.
I had an ump and a vector.
Damn, I just dropped
I got 2.
Okay.
So I dropped
How many you got, Will?
I dropped the ump ammo.
For sure, I just picked up the ump ammo you just dropped. Shotgun shells getting dropped. I'm really mad you got all them kills. Bougie.
relax.
Fuck with fuck with you. Lux don't laugh at that shit. Wasn't it not amazing?
Damn, I lost
I'm
my
more mad
pistol,
these niggas decided to run across the street in a fucking line though. Them niggas is retarded. I was
Just lined
running
up.
across the street like that.
though. We're gonna.
So
this is gonna protect
You
me.
killed 3 people or 4 people?
4.
He killed 4. Well, he killed the one dude that was over here on this side that he already I'm assuming he went through already. I didn't even see that guy.
Yeah, that one
And
nigga
he
that was
killed the
running to
3
the
niggas
house.
when they ran across the bullets.
I only see 3
I
boxes.
seen.
Huh?
Well, no, you know, these the last.
Yes,
one he
I'm gonna
killed. He
help
killed
you.
the other one over there. I was like, these niggas ran
I know,
straight into the bullets,
but
huh? You
the
niggas like
thing is,
niggas like bullets, huh?
I got my PC, so I can just chop it up, or I can just play the stream and just post it. on my phone. I hate how Instagram make it look. Just annoying. I need to figure that shit out.
Dang, that's why that's why I don't post it on Instagram as far as the
Yeah. It's like how do the
game
people
shit?
be posting the game shit
that
on
shit is
Instagram
choppy
where it
as
looks?
fuck.
Yeah, but I've seen some where they
Oh.
posted it where it's the full screen. So I'm like, they must be
Okay, so
posting
this,
it from their PC.
But they gotta be posting it from their PC, yeah.
Yeah.
Because when you post it from your phone, that shit converts back into some lame shit.
Yeah. Why
It
no
don't be
bots? I need to make one.
It
I
don't
do
be
have
like
a bot.
4K quality,
4K quality.
or it don't be 1080p or something.
Yeah. I thought I had a bot. I gotta
kill me
figure out
with
how
that.
to cut them niggas back on.
I dropped the med kit somewhere.
Maybe I gotta go to
I
Mixer.
wish I was where you from.
What is lurk? What is that? See, I don't have none of the commands. Did you have to activate those commands and stuff? I'm a new booty. New.
Yeah, Lux, talk that nerd talk to him, Lux. Yeah, nerd
Yeah.
talk.
I'll agree on the left hemoglobin. Yeah, I mean, I suck at that shit though. Luda!
He sucks widgets.
Give me that widget. Alright, let's see here. Oh, about to be a new circle.
Hey, I got a 2 times for both of y'all if y'all want one.
I'm good, well. I mean, 8
Bougie, did you run through a house and pick up a med kit?
No.
Alright, I forgot what. Oh, never mind.
Oh my god, I almost just shot Will.
Please don't do that. I want to
Who
live.
the fuck? I'm mad. I dropped my P90 somewhere. I don't know where I dropped it. Oh well. But not my P90, my Glock.
I'm mad. I ain't got no damn kills. How about that?
Yeah, that's what I do, Lux. Ram the tablet and the phone. Well, those are my kills. I earned them. Fair and square.
I'm not saying you didn't. That last guy though, I shot like 2 seconds too late because he moved to the left. And I let the shot go. That nigga was falling. He was falling out when my shots hit him. And I said, ah, damn it.
I'm mad I had to reload too. I was like, somebody's gonna get this.
I was about to, but then he cut left and he ducked like cause I thought he saw me because he cut left and it went back right, then went down the hill, and I was like, oh shit, this nigga, he's seen
I'm
me.
gonna say we all saw him because we all took a shot at him at the same time.
Yeah. And we still in the circle. What y'all want? Y'all want to stay?
Might as well stay.
Might as well. Might as well.
Nobody needs a tactical stock, right?
Nah.
I'll take it. I
I
got
need
a
a cheap
vector.
pad though. This is me breaking glass.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Sorry. So sorry.
Glass breaking ass nigga.
It's me. Cardi B. What is this right here? Level 2 helmet over here. If you might want it. But I ain't never
Yeah,
seen
the
Race
tax
House
stocks on the
3-story.
second floor. Go out there.
Mhm.
Nigga, if you don't stop opening and closing the door, I'm trying to go through.
Get out of here.
Shoot your
You behind
goddamn
me, boy.
Nigga, because you ran in my house, ho. Think about it. You don't never come here. I come in here and start going through it, and you want to bust through a window, come looking.
I just
Right
want to see
there.
the horizon.
That door open. Yeah, it's because you gay.
Gay. Close these doors. I'm gonna hold it up here. I think it's real nice and safe. No one's been here. Then they come in and they just get shot in their face. That's how it goes. Damn, I went this. Oh, I'm about to say, I know I didn't go this one time without a vest.
I think we should probably start moving towards prison.
I'm with it. It'd be gay if they hit us with this low. And they'd be like, oh, come to Milton Power. Oh, niggas busting around the right side of the city? In the mountains? What is that? Let me see. Oh, I see him. 350 north. In the mountains. Hella far, though. You see that house? That's all the way back there at 345? They're in the wood part. Now they're running to that house. Oh, they're fighting people at the house. They just blew up the car. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Not really.
Nah, because I'm texting.
I'm looking at the waiting to see who comes
I hit
from
him.
Military Island in the water.
I hit that nigga. Well, you safe. Just stop running. You safe, bro. There you are. Look, you good. You good. You good. Oh, I killed him! Bam! Oh my god, I wish y'all could see that headshot from this far away.
This nigga's going wild now.
Woo! Why am I streaming now? I can't record this shit. It's all good. God, that was a great shot.
We're gonna spectate Bougie because this nigga out here getting all goddamn kills. So this nigga, you ran over there to those houses?
Oh yeah. Start this nigga from hella far, dog. It's gotta be a new record for me.
Probably not, but good luck on that.
He was
Which direction
all the
was
way
he,
to the
was he
houses.
at that you shot him? Which houses?
West 285. Way up there on the
West
mountain.
285. So a boat just pulled up on land and 3 guys are running up the hill.
3 guys, huh?
If you were here, you could have. If you were here, you could have got your sniper on with these guys. But since you're not, I'm gonna just let them go on about their business.
Where they
That's
at?
just they're so far away at this point. It's pointless. They're 125 southeast.
Oh, that way. To the left. Got a Jeep for us if we need it. Please. Where could you be? Jake, I need that money, Jake.
So I'm gonna get that bag, and you ain't gonna do that.
Hoo-hoo. Nope, don't see him at that house. Damn, life is on us. We live in gravy. Living good, living great. Living great, living good. How are you? Sending shots, nigga. Get the fuck out of my fucking face before I murder you. Six alive. Where the hoes at? I know they gotta be coming around. I'm gonna make it to shore. I'm just gonna run in here in the Milton. Pop, pop, pow, nigga. All up in your cranium. Proceed to the market area. Damn, still on us. Anybody got any 7.6 ammo? Got 2 clips.
Nope.
Sweet. Can't see that barrier.
Well, them guys that are that went up that hill are probably coming back this way shortly. I don't know though. Which, is it another fucking boat coming? I don't know. That's L. LG, what are you doing out there in the fucking sand, L?
Yeah, you muted if you talking.
I was on the balcony. I moved
Oh.
because them dudes on the hill could easily
Came back?
peek back over and shoot me.
Yeah, that's why I was literally about to be like, what are you
Oh,
doing?
I see him. 120 southeast. Running through the field.
I'm gonna take my marker down, by the way.
One has a ghillie suit.
Oh, I see him.
There's 3 of them.
They low key, the L, just so you know, they're low key coming our way.
Somebody's popping shots at him.
Somebody's busting at them.
Oh, they're trying to shoot
It's
me.
4 of them over there. I think
Oh, I just hit him.
one of them just laid down.
You said 120? I don't even see him.
L, he's 90. They're on this hill right in front of us. You probably can't see it from your angle. I would tell you to come to the roof, but if you come to the roof, you need to come out here and lay right down and use that third person view.
I'm pushing to y'all
Because
building.
like one of them is going back. Look, one of them's going back towards the beach. 2 or 3 of them are going over the hill. So they should be now from UL should be east like 85. They on that hill by that by Bougie. You just ran in here.
Mm-hmm.
They're on that hill by
Alright.
that damn
I see him.
tower. But then there's
Well,
one
I
on the
see
beach
one.
on the rocks. One's on the beach on the rocks at 115 southeast, basically. Like I said, he's coming our way. He will come over this hill shortly.
Cars
If he keeps coming at the angle he's coming at.
That nigga try to size me up. I get shot right in his fucking face.
Where'd this nigga go? He must be using the hill. Like I said, there's one right over this hill that's right outside the building. That nigga was like 115, 120. I can't see him now, so I'm assuming he's still sitting over there. But he could easily be cut right with the rest of his team. Like the other 3 guys are up on the hill by that power pole type thing.
Mm-hmm. West Coast moving. They're gonna have to move soon.
All right, it's a car coming in from the field. It's a gray car. It's coming at. It came towards the roadblock.
Oh,
I don't
circles
know
on
if
us.
Oh, nigga, we're still in the circle. This is about to get ugly. I don't have no nades. by the
Freaking
way.
naughty, bro. We gotta watch some stairs for sure.
Alright, well, I'll move back to the stairs.
I probably need to get off this damn roof. Chris, did you see where that car went?
No.
Hey, them 3 guys you were shooting at, Chris, they're back over here on this hill.
Mm-hmm.
They're on the back side of this hill. They're coming towards us, low-key. So they will be coming to our house sooner or later.
Okay.
2 of them are coming straight at. 2 of them coming straight at us from 100 east. The other one veered off left, like at a 70,
Ooh, busting
I
shots.
can't see him, but he's over there. He's over there sniping at somebody. I can't see him though. All right, one of them's right on top of the hill looking. Ooh, somebody just hit that nigga with a fucking M24. He went down.
Oh,
Headshot that nigga too. The other one is trying to go get him right now.
I see him. I see him.
If I had a sniper, I'd try to bust a shot. Chris, you busting through every window in this bitch, nigga? Be careful.
No, I just
that
shot
car
through one
pulled
window.
up. They over the hill on
Upstairs,
the
yeah.
smoke. I don't think you can get no clean sights now.
I can't.
But good luck. Yeah, I said if I had a nade, I'd roll that bitch over this hill. But I don't got one, so them niggas is lucky.
I got
who's throwing
one.
it? Don't kill yourself.
Oh, I threw it underhand. Oh, so much for
I tried to
that.
throw one.
Nah, man. Well, they're back on the hill far away now. I don't want to.
Got niggas in this house right next to us. Will, watch out. And they're in that White House behind us.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, that's exactly why I'm not standing up. Because if I stand up, I can take clean shots of these guys on the hill. But Bougie, are you shooting at him?
Yeah, I hit him twice. He tried to hit me. Miss it, bro. You're gonna miss, bro. You're not gonna hit me.
L, you shooting at the niggas on the hill?
Yeah. A couple shots. Who's breaking all these windows?
breaking out-
That
Them
you,
niggas
Bougie?
are shooting through the
They
window,
must be
bro.
shooting.
That's them niggas. They crazy.
These guys on the hill are about to run back at us in a second because they have to.
Okay.
They're running at us right now, 85. I only see 2 though, so I'm not sure if the other 2 are still alive. One of them just went far right. Some niggas run out the blue last minute. This nigga's fucking living
You might
life.
go watch these stairs.
Must be
Or no?
nice. Well, I mean,
I get it.
I'm on the roof giving this Overwatch. If you want me to come back, let me know. But
It's all good. It's all good.
oh, nigga, we're still in the fucking circle, nigga. All right, L, you might want to stop shooting now. Them niggas definitely know where you at, and them niggas is right over that hill. Oh,
Watch
God,
these
I wish I
stairs,
had a
L. Be
fucking
careful.
grenade.
I got an A for you, Will, if you want to come to the top. When we come to the stair, right here.
All right, look, I'm gonna back up and try
Here.
to come get it.
I drop it right here at the doorway.
Hopefully nobody.
Oh, I hear people crawling. Get ready.
Well, you might hear me because I'm crawling.
Okay.
Just in case. $16 niggas left.
You see their
They're gonna be
name?
right in this compound and sitting in grass. I got the nade. Okay, there go one on the right. Ooh, he's shooting at somebody. I guess
shooting
he's
at me.
you. One is going far right. Hey, he's flanking around trying to go far right on us. He's down. I just downed one outside. He's outside behind the house. I didn't
Yeah,
throw
I
a
saw
nade
him.
because I just downed that one nigga. There's one more on that hill just waiting. It's another nigga coming around. He probably gonna try to save his buddy. They juking. One's coming to the end of the house.
Oh, he just ran around to the side. You ready, L? They're coming to that building.
Oh my
Come
god.
to the stairs, Will.
This nigga threw an amazing grenade, bro.
L, watch the stairs. I'm about to
Nigga,
go
this
for
is the
smoke.
best grenade I ever seen
I'm
in my
down.
life, bro.
I'm at the stairs.
Hey, they're probably picking
Someone
up their
opened the
boy.
door.
They threw another nade.
Someone opened the door. Door's open.
Oh my God, Will, back
Oh,
up. They won't let me.
You
They
can't
won't
get me yet. I
don't
can't.
move, don't move,
Okay.
don't
All right, there it is. L, you good?
And they opened the door. They're in the building.
Okay, I'm picking
All right.
Will
Well, it's
up.
only one set of
And
stairs,
they
L. We're
smoked us
good.
out.
It's
They
only one
smoked
set of
me out,
stairs,
though.
baby. They must have picked their boy up because that nigga's not. He didn't die for me. Just watch. Give me 2 more seconds, L, and I'll help you with them stairs, bro. They must be picking this nigga up outside. They must have got him already.
Running around outside.
They run around the side of the house.
And they
L, you
opened
still
both
on the
doors. Yep.
These niggas is hugging us. One of them about to try to jump through the side window.
Oh my god, how the fuck you do that? That's bullshit. Hey, they're on the stairs.
Got him?
No.
That's bull. Like, I can't hit you, but you can hit me.
Wow, this nigga look right at that.
Kill one, kill one.
I'm more mad this nigga look right at me and just drop me like instantly. Nigga look right at me. Hey, I'm down, but I'm on the roof. I know you ain't gonna be able to make it, bro. I understand. I'm gonna just sit up here and die on the roof, alright?
Fuck that. We ride together, we die together. Bad boys. You got anything to heal with?
Yes, I do. If we get up, I'm gonna run around to the
We
back.
got this balcony
lay
right
down,
here.
try to heal it
Balcony
out.
right here.
Hey, they about to try to come through this door first, though. They come like, watch them stairs. They coming up the stairs. What it sound like?
We're in the house.
These niggas are just in this. Woo, that just sounded nasty.
We got two teams over here. They fighting inside. Well, I'm gonna hop over, okay? I'm gonna try
Hold on.
Bottom of stairs. Well, I'm at the bottom of stairs.
I'm throwing a nade downstairs, Chris. Don't come upstairs.
I'm not. They got 19
I got
seconds. They
one
got
on
to
the
run out,
stairs.
Will. So, smart.
I'm popping an energy drink.
Me too. Taking pills. One took off.
One of them's still in the building somewhere. Unless he ran. You good? That's you? You on the second floor?
Got another one.
Okay.
Yeah, movement, Jit.
Careful, Will.
Bougie, somebody jumps.
It's us on one.
Got him. Let's go.
There it
I am a
is.
beast.
Off the roof, bitch!
Let's go. 8 kills. Holla at your boy. We and Bussa.
Hey, don't leave me out.
And I'm sorry, L. Yeah, L. My nigga. L told me he hopped off. And I
Don't trip.
My
If it makes you feel better, I'm pretty sure you have more kills than me, nigga. I only killed one. I downed that one nigga. He bled out for like fucking 40 seconds.
Oh, nah, I
Nobody
didn't
came to
have-
get him.
I
and
didn't
somehow
have
he
to
got
kill.
up. Somehow the nigga got up.
Woo, good job, fellas.
All right.
Hey, Will, we held that rape house like a pro.
And I wasn't gonna leave
Give me
him
a
honest,
moment.
nigga. If that one super nade didn't fucking blow my ass down, nigga.
Hey, I'm wondering if that nigga shot you through the floor or not.
Nah. Oh, you talking about L? I don't know.
Yeah. Give me that BP. Now let's see. Did they reset the shit? Yeah, they did. Will reset the boxes. Are we ever gonna get anything good? No.
Probably not. Might as well try it now. Huh? I got 8,000 saved up already. Might as well go for it. Not getting nothing good out of that. That's that regular box.